In this video, I'll show you how to create a CoinEx account and get a $100 bonus. Step 1. Click on the sign up link below in the video description or comment section to sign up and download the app. Step 2. Click the sign up link, enter your correct email address and password, then click the sign up button below. Step 3. Select email as the verification method and click send code. Select the following images in the order they appear to verify your identity. After registering, the system will redirect you to the email verification page. Open your email to check the account activation code, then copy the sequence of numbers. After copying the sequence of numbers, paste it into the verification code field below. To finish, tap on the download button to get the app on your phone.
How can I download apps and step-by-step guides?
Visit leonacademy.org to find app download links, registration information, and complete guides.
I haven't received my account activation code. What should I do?
If you don't receive the activation code, there are 2 solutions. First, please check your spam folder. Sometimes emails, especially those containing codes, can be mistakenly marked as spam. If you still can't find it, please click the Resend Activation Code button. The system will send you a new code shortly.
I have so many online accounts with different passwords. What are some effective strategies for managing complex passwords?
Using the Google Keep note-taking app is one way to manage numerous passwords. It's a simple and effective solution for those who struggle with remembering complex passwords. To get started, open your phone's App Store, search for Google Keep and tap the download button. It's completely free.
How can I deposit, withdraw, and complete KYC verification?
In the next videos, I'll walk you through how to deposit, withdraw, and complete the KYC process. It's a simple process, and I'll make sure to explain every step clearly.
How can I download apps and step-by-step guides?
Visit leonacademy.org to find app download links, registration information, and complete guides. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Leon Academy's YouTube channel to catch the next videos.